Hello guys, this is Anshadri and you are watching TechKnowledge. So today I am going to show you how to use BR tag, B tag and I tag. BR tag means break tag, B tag means bold tag and I tag means italic tag. So let's begin this video. In the previous video we have discussed what is HTML, why HTML used and where HTML used. So let's begin this video. I will open with code. After that, I will make here 2.html. You can also use 2.htm. And after that, I will write my basic code, which we discussed in the previous video. HTML tag, head tag, in the title tag, body tag. So I write my basic code, and here I will make a heading tag, h1. We discussed this tag in the previous video, and I will write there this is heading, and in title I will write this is project 2. I will open this file and I have to save it, and after that I will refresh it. So you can see there this is project 2 and this is heading. So I want heading word will be appear in next line. So for that I will write there BR tag and refresh that. You can see heading word is now in other next line. BR tag, you can write there BR tag. The BR tag is in HTML document is used to create a line break in a text, which this is heading. Heading is now in other line. So BR tag is used to break the line. Okay. So what is the use of B and I tag? B means bold tag and I means I tag. For example, I will write there B tag. B tag is used for make a line or word bold. Control Shift and refresh it, but heading is already bold, so I will remove their B tag and there I will make paragraph tag, and this I'm going to write this is paragraph, and then I will write there B tag. Control X and Control V and save it and refresh. So you can see this is paragraph. Paragraph is now bold. Okay, so B tag is used for make a word or line bold, and italic tag. This is italic and italic tag. I, okay, and Control X and Control V. And Control Save and refresh there. So you can see there, this is italic. Italic is now italic. Okay. So now you know what is BR tag, B tag, and I tag, and what are their use. So today's video is there, and if you like this video, so please like my video and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.